Okay, anybody that's getting into the gap, take something right here, the 14 and a quarter to 13 and a quarter range. Anything beyond this is gravy. And continuing to use that 22 stop. Said avoid playing early. The only aggressive longs are going to take this trade long. It's not a common sense trade. It's a very aggressive trade. Conservative traders wait, let it get to the 19 and a quarter target. Use 22 stop. If you play and any day high, we are just guessing. We get lucky. That's a lucky trade. But it's a disciplined trade. Rather than get beat first, being an aggressive short, much higher value shorting back here at that target. Anybody who's got this gap fill, lock it up. One good trade a day. That's all we need. There it is. A lot of high value targets completing there. Only the bots, only aggressive bots are buying that open. It's not a common sense trade. Too much air on the daily. Already extended overnight. You're better off just let it play out a few bars and then hope we get lucky. At least your risk reward is better. So now we're testing last week's high, and we can come to any low in this trade. And the assumed support has been this 12.5 right here. I've got a magnet at 11. Don't know if we can get there or not. Angels and demons. Obviously the 10 is the angel from overnight. And my expectation on this trade is just that you'll move stops down. And 12.5 is yesterday's late support. That's being challenged right now. This is a great trade for the short side. Best we've had in a while. Knowing our completion targets helps us find these trades. Simple as that. Well done. This bar right here is your demon. 1750. Magnet at 11. That's an extended target if we can get down here. And I said I think we'll need a couple of tries. So far, just the one. So I hope you were patient, and I hope you stayed disciplined with our system. We said we're not going to change our rules. Not going to start taking crazy trades. Great trade. Anybody that's got into the 12s, bring your stops down. Keep an eye on time now. All right, beautiful. Lock it up. All of these traders who were aggressive are underwater. We may get a Z pattern before we're done. And yesterday we were using the 10-minute chart. Today, slipped back to the 15. And that's being challenged right now. Still too much air over here. And again, the magnet is at 11, so close to it. 15-minute traders, keep an eye on your time as well. Mike, great call. Mike said NASDAQ looks like it's starting to stall. Great call. Okay, 5-minute chart was in play earlier. Overshoots a little bit. Look to your 10. I think this is a timing trade more than anything. Grab something. We said if we got back into the 12s, we'd be doing well. Don't let this get away from you. Even if the bounce, we get continuation. You want to get paid for this trade. Zeke, well done. Zeke said, gap fill, here we come. Okay, big support right now is still 8. That's the key player. Above 8, we're still positive. We say we get below 14, then we get into the neutral zone because we're into that breakdown zone from the other day. And now at least we've got a little dogfight. I love these sharp sell-offs that once you're into it, it just takes off. I thought we'd have at least one more need for a re-entry one more time. These are the trades we want. We know a big boy's in that trade once that happens. Big boy says, no, you don't. What are you, nuts? Last year's settlement, 1420. 2 ticks away from a 200-point extension. Only aggressive traders are going to be buying this high, I said, at the open. Now, I'm not going to chase it. I'm going to stick with our rules. Let it get a little more overextended and then hit it. I'm sure there are a lot of great traders that caught this trade. Yeah, 17.5 is the demon. All right, one good trade a day is all we need. You got it, lock it up. You want to go hunting for a little chump change, fine. This 11 area is a significant area right now, as far as I'm concerned, for support. We'd said probably traders will be trying to buy somewhere into the 12s. And those are just scalps. Timing said take them. Take your profits.